Good morning, everybody. It's 8:35 on Thursday morning, April 15th. I just want to give a quick update on my thoughts on this gold trade that we're in right now. It's the counter trend gold trade. So we are technically short on gold right now, and I did adjust our protective stop this morning. I brought it down from the 1170 90 area down to 1162.90. I want to minimize our risk, and I'll explain why here with this chart. So here we've got the 2-hour candlestick chart of gold. You can see we've got the head and shoulders pattern, and what I'm seeing here is it's just a simple visual thing. Pretty much you've got this shoulder to the head has a certain distance to it, and if you take the same distance and move over, we got the other shoulder. I like to see things kind of in sync. Now the right hand shoulder can drag out a little longer, and it tends to do that in a bull market, so that's okay. But what I'm worried about is if the price continues to rise up to hit a possible another short level, it's the shoulder is just getting too long now, and it won't look like a head and shoulders anymore if you zoom out. So if I zoom out a little bit, it'll actually look more like a really nice bull flag. And so of course if it drifts up, it's starting to reverse and actually head higher. So that's why I moved our stop to the 1162.90 area, because if it does get to that level, I think it's best if we get out, because the pattern is starting to actually bottom and curl back up. So that's why I moved our stop. You can see there was lots of buying volume the past couple weeks, and now we're starting to see surges of selling. And of course, if we break this neckline in here this morning, we're probably going to see a drop down to the 1135 area. I figured that should be the first major support level, but because this is a counter trend trade, we're going to be taking some profits off the table again at 1147.50 if we get that this morning. And I'll just show you a quick chart here of what I'm seeing on that. If we look at Kitco chart, just refresh it, you can see a lot of times the days overlaid. Each color here is a day. You can read that up here in the top window. So the green is today, red is yesterday, and the baby blue is the previous day. And a lot of times they move in sync together, and what we're seeing is a very similar price action the last couple of days, where it sells down and then moves up into the 930 area and then kind of gets sold down. So that's kind of where we're looking right now. If you draw a line straight down, we're about at the point where I think we're going to see gold take a slide here, and we'll see if it breaks the 11 about 49 level, 1148 level again. I think it's going to trigger a lot more selling, and we could get a really nice down thrust, and we can pull some money off the table. So that's it for now, and I'll talk to you in the chat room. Bye bye.